When you turn the key or press the start button, your car should start easily. Sometimes, a car can hesitate or struggle to start, which can be frustrating and worrying. There are some common causes and easy fixes to help your car start smoothly again. Bad spark plugs can make your car hesitate to start because they do not create a strong enough spark to ignite the fuel. Plugs can get dirty, worn out, or damaged over time. The simple fix is to replace the old spark plugs with new ones. It is an easy and low-cost repair that can improve starting and overall engine performance. Regular maintenance can help prevent this problem. A weak battery is one of the most common reasons a car hesitates to start. The battery gives power to the starter and other parts needed to start the engine. If the battery is old, low on charge, or damaged, it may not give enough power. The Noco Battery Corrosion Preventative Spray is used to protect battery terminals from rust and corrosion. It helps improve battery life and ensures a better electrical connection. Regular use keeps your battery clean and working properly over time. A clogged fuel filter can make your car hesitate to start because it blocks fuel from reaching the engine. The best fix is to replace the fuel filter with a new one. You can also use a straw or similar tool to clear out minor blockages. Chevron Techron Fuel System Cleaner helps clean fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Regular use can also help lower emissions and keep your engine running smoothly. A faulty starter motor can make your car hesitate or fail to start. One common cause is worn-out parts inside the starter. Sometimes, the starter relay or solenoid may be broken. If you hear a clicking sound but the engine does not turn over, the starter might be the problem. If the problem continues, you may need to repair or replace the starter motor. If your car hesitates to start, it might be because the fuel tank is empty or very low. Without enough fuel, the engine cannot get the power it needs to run. To fix this, always keep an eye on the fuel level and fill up before it gets too low. Also, check the fuel pump and filter if the problem continues. Cold weather can make a car hesitate to start because the engine oil becomes thick and the battery loses power. The cold air also makes fuel harder to vaporize, so it does not burn easily. The Yonhan battery charger is used to charge and maintain car batteries. It helps revive dead batteries, prevent overcharging, and extend battery life. It is easy to use and great for keeping your battery ready, especially in cold weather or long storage. So, by applying these tips and using these products, you can fix the problems when your car hesitates to start.